Hello everybody, welcome back to another video of Crypto Rules. And this week I'm very happy. I passed the 100 subscriber mark, so I'm really thankful for all the guys and ladies that subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Today's video is about how to come up with your own grid trading bot strategy. How do you find the coins and what is a good time to start a grid trading bot and when it's not a good time to start a grid trading bot? And even if you're a little bit more advanced, when do you want to use a reverse grid bot or, for example, an infinity grid bot? So we're not gonna use Pionex today, even though the bots run on this. No, we're gonna jump over to TradingView. And TradingView is a platform that is the best charting platform out there. It's completely free. You can sign up for it. I will put a link down below. You don't have to take the subscription for TradingView. The free version is more than enough for everything that I'm going to say in this video today. So you're new to grid trading or new to crypto in general, and you hear a lot of people have different kind of strategies how they come up with their plans. Some use indicators, others use technical analysis, trend lines. What you hear a lot and what works really well in the crypto market is support and resistance areas. And I want to jump into the support and resistance areas today. First, I want to give a shout out to Jeff47. He's a user in the official Discord channel of Pionex, and he shared these text files with us. These text files is all the trading pairs that can be found on Pionex on the date that he made this file. So if you're watching this in about a year, probably a lot of new coins have been added. For now, this is really up to date. So the only thing you have to do here is select all the files, copy it, then make on your desktop, make a new text file on, copy paste in it, give it a name, and then head over to TradingView. So we're back here. So what are we going to do with this? Well, you're here on the top right, you will see those lines, and here you can save all your trading pairs that you want. Just bookmark it. Let's say it's a bookmark. So when you press here, you can create a new list. I already made a list, USDD Pionex pairs. So we're going to click this and it says it's empty. Okay, so we're going to press 3 dots and then import list. Then you're going to find the trading pair or the text file that you saved on your computer. Where you saved it, press it and click to open it. And there we have it, the complete list of all the trading pairs that can be found on Pionex and that can be used for the grid trading bots that are available there. So this is a great spot to just wander around, look at the coins, and maybe look for some opportunities. But what if you don't know where are the opportunities? Now, next step here, you're going to press this, the indicators and strategy tab. You're going to press it, and here we're going to find matrix. So here's amount and resistors classic. It's from a French indicator creator. And what does it do? Well, let's find out. As you can see, it draws support and resistance areas. And support and resistance areas are very well respected in the cryptocurrency space at the moment. So these lines, if you want to teach yourself, you will draw better lines. But if you're just new to the scene, it can be very overwhelming to learn everything about these support and resistance areas and how to put them and where to put them, etc. So this free indicator can be useful if you want to set up your own grid trading plan. So I'm not going to go too much in details. It's just a little bit of put it on your chart and just see if you can come up with a plan with it. So let's say we are going to use it on the LTC, and you see, or this is my own grid bot at the moment. sometimes you have to refresh it. And if I want to come up with a trading plan here for an infinity grade trading bot, I would say keep it on the daily charts. You can find it here, daily chart. If I want to put a normal grid bots are for me more intraday trading, so just for a week, maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and the infinity bot is more for long-term trading, in my opinion. So if I would choose a grid trading bot, I would go to the 4-hour chart, look at the chart, look at the support and resistance. As you can see, this is a resistance area, and this is support area. So what could we do? Make up your own plan. In this example, let's get a rectangle, and let's say, yeah, I want to use a grid trading bot in this area, a little bit above the resist. So if we're going to go for a long bot, we want to use it in this area here. So you got some wiggle room. You see that we have here a support area, but if you say that's too short, then you can even say, no, I want to play a little more middle, little bit more safe. My English, I swear to God, I hope I will improve. It will only benefit the channel if I improve. So let's say we're going to put it like this, and we can put some hotkeys, and we see the top is 10% and the bottom is around 11%. So we're right in the middle at the moment. So that could be a good spot to open a grid trading bot using the support and resistance area. This is a resistance area. Hey, he hasn't passed it yet. And this is a support because it has been tested a few times and it has been respected. That's the word they use for it. They respected the support line and they bounced off it. Some users in the Discord channel even call it bounce level. I just keep it with support and resistance areas. Either way, for a grid trading bot, you could just scroll through all the pairs, find something where you can see the support and resistance areas are being respected, and then you can come up with your own trading plan. If you want to use an infinity grid trading bot, in my book, that's for longer term than 1 week or a few days or a couple of weeks. Infinity grid trading bot is for me a long-term trader. So we're gonna put it on either the daily or the weekly chart. So if I put it at the weekly chart, you see way less support and resistance. What you do see, well, this white line is my own. I'm gonna remove it. Is that it's the all-time low. So this coin has never been below this. I'm not sure what this is. This is a really weird wick. Let's ignore this one, or not ignore it. Either way, this is a support. So if I put on Infinity Grid Bot, this is a weekly chart. So I take a look at the big picture, because the last time it hit this area, it was during beginning of 2017, so 4 years ago, and it touched it here again. Also, we are currently in a bull market. It already did gain a little bit. You see another support level here, or resist support level. It could happen that it's going to retrace a little bit. Either way, for my plan was here. Okay, this is the all-time low, so this blue line, and this line is here. Oh, let's make it a little bit different. We don't have a top line, but let's say we're going to put a top line all the way on top because it's an infinity grid trading rod. So we got a little bit of wiggle room to the downside. This is a well-respected area. It's an all-time low. So can it drop lower? Of course, there are always risk in trading. But you can also say, okay, I'm going to see at this line, there's also been respected on support, and there has been some all the way back here, even in 2015, it respected this line. So there's always a risk, but these simple blue lines can tell you a little bit more about the chart. And once again, support and resistance, one of the most successful traders or world's best traders use these lines, not the free once they draw on themselves. It's not a science. Drawing support and resistance is more of an art, and how you input. Well, I'm not going to use the word. No, gonna come back to you on that. Either way, with this tip, you can just look at the charts, have a general overview on where are we. Are we in the middle? There's no support or resist here, or you say we're near to support. So I'm very hopeful that it's going to be respected. And I think for an Infinity Grid bot, this is a great spot to go for to open an Infinity Grid trading bot. On the lower time frames, you will see that there are different lines, more support and resistance areas, as you can see here and here and here. Either way, this is a free indicator that can give you some pointers on how to come up with your own crypto trading plan. So hopefully you got something out of this video that you can use. If you're an advanced user, you're probably going to draw it yourself, or you're a different kind of trader. Either way, I want to share that with you guys because I got some questions on the Discord channels about people that are just opening grid trading bots without any knowledge about where the coin is at, what is happening with the coin. Nobody can look at the future. We can only look at the past. And since the support and resistance areas, especially along higher the time frame is, it's got more respected and respected. And with respected, it can bounce from it. And that's maybe one of the reasons why some of the guys in the Discord channels call it bounce levels. I call it support and resistance. And I want to thank you again for watching my videos. And I hope to see you again in the next video. And if you like the content, just leave a like. And I'm really happy with that. So see you next time. Bye bye.